It's me, Ellen. Welcome to Friendship Goals TV or FGTV. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell for more updates. So for today's vlog, I'm gonna do a unboxing video, a boots from Boat House. I got this yesterday for $39.99 Canadian dollars. But the regular price is $69.99. So here is the box. Guys, let's open it. I am trying to speak English because one of my coworker, she can't understand our videos. That's why I am trying to speak English even if I am not fluent. So guys, sorry if I am not fluent kasi Tagalog lang alam ko. I'm trying very hard so that my coworker, shout out Yuko, hello. I am trying to speak English for you. So here is the second box. It's the box of the boots. DLG. Let's open. So inside, this is my boots. Black boots. I don't have a black boots. So there's at the back, there's a belt something design. I like it. I love it. It's pretty. So it's the front. It's the side of the boots, the back, and then let's measure the heels. How long is the heels? I want to know what is the measurement of the heels. So it's 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter, like 1.3 inches. It's 1.3 inches. So it's not that high. And then let's see. Hopefully this is warm. So inside, there's a fur. There's a zipper. Yeah, zipper. This is the other one. So let's try it on. I'll try this. I ordered one size up because the opening of my feet is wide. That's why I ordered one size up. So this is size 7. Let's see. Oh, I like it. I love it. Look, guys. I will try the 2 of them and then I'm gonna take a picture. It is so hard to speak English. Oh my goodness. Talking Carabao. So here it is. I wore them already. I will take a picture. So guys, that's the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed watching, even if I am not fluent in English. I am trying very hard. I'm so sorry. Maybe some of you will laugh at me. Well, I don't care. So guys, thanks for watching. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. See you on our next video. Thank you. Bye.